6. Cows, sheep, goats, ducks and chickens. Listen.
Mr. Gray's a farmer. There are cows, sheep, goats, ducks and chickens on his farm. There's a dog too. Mrs. Day lives next to Mr. Gray's farm. There are potatoes, onions, beans, peas and 2 pear trees in her garden. Mr. Gray and Mrs. Day are going to town now. He's going in his truck. She's going on the bus. Oh dear! Mr. Gray's farm gate is open. Oh dear! Mrs. Day's garden gate is open too. Look at the cows and sheep. Look at the goats and ducks and chickens. They're running and jumping in Mrs. Day's garden. They're eating her potatoes, her onions and her peas. They're eating her beans and the pears in her trees. They're wearing her hats, her t-shirts and her shirts. And they're wearing her dresses, her sweaters and her skirts. But look! Here's Mrs. Day. She's coming home from town. Mr. Gray's coming home in his truck, too.
I'm very angry,
says Mrs. Day.
Look at my clothes and look at my trees.
I'm very sorry,
says Mr. Gray.
Would you like to have lunch with me?